Hans Laser Ring Beam Laser Welding Demonstration. 1. Compared to ordinary fiber lasers, it is easier to obtain smooth and full welds with good consistency, which can achieve high efficiency and splash-free processing. 2. At the same time, it greatly reduces porosity, minimizes welding cracks, and greatly reduces the demand for post-processing work, thereby reducing overall production costs and ensuring production quality. 3. Therefore, circular spot lasers have significant advantages in welding special materials, such as aluminum, carbon steel, galvanized, and copper. The Hans laser-related circular spot laser welding equipment is equipped with Hans independently developed precision welding control software, which has 3 welding modes, CW, Plus, and Mod, and they can achieve spot welding and sealing welding. If you are interested, please contact us via +86 400 666 4000 or leave your info as country, company, and requirements to our official email address, international@hanslaser.com.